Hey guys, how we doing? So today we have a touchscreen Breville that was brought to us because it had a couple of issues. One of them being that the grinder portion wasn't allowing the portafilter to be inserted properly, and that was just because on the inside there's a plastic portion that was too far set to the left. So we moved that around, had it set to the right. Let's have a look at that. There it is right there, that little black bit hanging over the silver. That was actually too far set to the left. So we shimmered it over to the right, and now the portafilter fits in perfectly. So let's have a look at that. There we are. Let's turn the machine on. And another issue was the top burr not being able to be cleaned properly and taken out. And that was just because the two burrs were too close together, and the grounds were becoming too fine, and they were inset, so it wasn't allowing the coffee grounds to move through properly. But we moved that around, and that just was all it required from us was to turn the dial here to make it as coarse as possible, just so that they move further apart, because when you have them fine, the burrs move very close together. So now it's looking really nice and shiny, and let's pull a shot. Let's see how good this works. So let's do an espresso. And, grab that out, let's insert it there, lock it tight, and let's hit brew. Let's see how it looks. Looks like some good flow, nice coloration, looking very nice. There we go. If you like our videos and want to see more, don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to share if you want to.